everyone, today I am going to do a style that I got from one person on this YouTube here. I'm going to put a name on the screen because I cannot pronounce her full name well, and I'm going to do a style on Eniola's hair. This style, you need a needle, yes, a needle, and you also need a thread. Now I'm going to be using black yarn to do our hair, but in order for me to show you how to do this hair, I'm going to start off with brown yarn so that you can see it, because if I start off with black yarn, it's going to be hard for you all to see. So I've sectioned the hair, and this is what it looks like, just up to that section over there. So the way that Eve did it, I'm going to copy that same way. So big shout out to Eve on how she did it. So I'm just taking a section of the hair like this, and then I'm taking the thread and letting the thread fall, and I'm going to take the hair at the beginning and I'm just interlocking it right there. So this is one of those long threads. This is actually a long needle, a yarn needle. So you want to look for a yarn needle. So I'm just going to take this, put it through the middle, pull it out, and then when I get it, pull it through. I'm not going to pull all the thread through, and I'm not going to do a knot. Remember, this is going to be a black thread, so it's going to blend with the hair. And then I'm taking that again, pulling it through like this. Make sure you don't connect the other hair. Okay, so let's zoom that in. So we're going to pull it through like this. And at this point, I'm just going to lock that top area like that. So to start off, so that's my starting point. Then I'm taking the hair, I'm holding the hair taut. So this hair right here, you are not rolling it, you're not twisting it, you're just holding the hair so that it's like all together. So you want to hold the hair all together like this, and we're just going up through the hair and round again. So almost like a loop. So we're just going around again like that, and we keep on doing this at intervals. So this is what you're going to do up to the end. So I'm going to start demonstrating it with the black thread, and you all will see how it turns out. I'm sure you all are wondering what I'm gonna do. We've already done the needle and thread flat twist going this way. Now if you are wondering what I'm gonna do with the end of the hair, I'm going to now either flat twist the hair. Now if you can't flat twist the hair, you can always continue threading the hair in intervals. So you just do thread like that in intervals. So that gives an illusion also as if you're doing twist. So just keep on just wrapping the yarn around. That's why when you cut the yarn, you want to have a long enough yarn, and this takes practice, just trying to find which yarn is long enough for the length of the hair, and then just twist up the hair with the yarn. So the yarn is connected, so the yarn will never ever come apart, because see, you're connecting it thoroughly with the twist. So the more you do this, the faster and the easier it gets. So we finished one quadrant, and this is what it looks like. You can see where it looks almost as if I flat twisted the hair, a close-up of it. So you can see how it looks, just like that, very easy. And then the ends, I just threaded it just like this. Done with doing the hair, and this is what it looks like. If you see around, we've not yet packed it up, so that's what it looks like. That's all our hair. Just take the whole thing, pack it up like a ponytail. And does it hurt?
No.
Is there any tension?
No.
Okay, so this was quite an experience. Let me just say that it actually takes longer to do than actually doing a real cornrow or flat twist. But if you are someone that you don't know how to do a flat twist, this is the way to go. So I'm just going to take her hair. So her hair now, she can wear it like this in a ponytail, like that. Okay. Or knowing her, she can wear it in a bun. And I can just take this and just spiral it like a ballerina bun. Just wrap it around. Let's bend down. Okay, thank you. So just wrap it around like this. So keep on wrapping it. And then this is it. So that's it. That is the style. I hope you guys like it.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks again so much for watching, and we'll see you in another video. Bye!